Banana peel's surprising uses you probably didn't know about. Banana peels are often discarded as waste, but did you know they have some truly remarkable uses? These everyday scraps can make your life easier in ways you probably never imagined. 1. Flies and mosquitoes can be a nuisance, especially in the warmer months, but banana peels provide a simple, chemical-free way to trap them. Thanks to their high sugar content, banana peels naturally attract these pests. To create an effective trap, spread a spoonful of honey evenly across the inside of a banana peel. Place the peel in your kitchen, by your garbage can, or in any area where flies and mosquitoes tend to gather. In just a few days, you'll notice that these insects stick to the peel, reducing the number of pests in your home. 2. Are you a plant lover? Banana peels can offer your plants more than just good looks. They can act as a shield against harmful insects and a natural fertilizer. Rub the inside of a banana peel on the leaves of your plants. This creates a natural barrier that not only protects the plant from insects, but also gives the leaves a glossy shine, making them look healthier. Bury a peel in the soil around your plants to slowly release these nutrients, providing long-term nourishment. 3. Out of shoe polish? Don't worry. Banana peels are a fantastic alternative when you need to restore the shine to your leather shoes. Simply rub the inside of a peel over the dull or dirty areas of the shoe. The oils and natural waxes in the peel help clean and buff the leather, while also providing a bit of moisture. After rubbing the peel, take a microfiber towel and polish the shoes to a brilliant shine. It's a quick, eco-friendly solution that can save you a trip to the store. 4. If you have old CDs or DVDs that are scratched and no longer play smoothly, banana peels might just be the solution. The inside of the peel contains oils that can help reduce the appearance of light scratches. Gently rub the peel over the surface of the disc for about 30 seconds. Then, apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol to a cloth and wipe down the disc to remove any residue. After this quick treatment, your disc should play with fewer skips and interruptions. 5. Mosquito bites are annoying, but banana peels can offer some relief. Rub the inside of a peel on your skin to help ward off mosquitoes. The natural oils in the peel create a barrier that mosquitoes tend to avoid. Plus, the peel's cooling effect provides a soothing sensation, making it perfect for relieving itchiness if you've already been bitten. Another little-known benefit of banana peels is their use as a natural sunscreen. The antioxidants and nutrients in the peel can help protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Which of these tips did you find the most useful? If you're curious about more hidden uses for common household items like baking soda, be sure to check out the next video. Click here to watch.